We are in the midst of constructing our new chime tower in the middle of our mall. The chimes were housed in the administration building, which we've since taken down, and the chimes were taken out and restored and are going to be placed in this new chime tower. Super excited to have this be a central part of campus and to hear the chimes ring through campus once again.
In 1920, there was a structure built between Baumgartner Hall and the Bible School building, and that formed the administration building, and part of that new structure was a tower. So just 100 years ago, those bells were installed and the chime was played for the first time. Those chimes rang out through 97 years at Manchester University. The last time the bells were played on a consistent basis was in the spring of 2019, and that was stopped because of concern about the safety of the administration building.
As a resident of North Manchester, it's my habit to take a long walk every morning. For many years, I timed my walk so that I would be walking by the university at the time the chimes rang, from 7:45 to 8 o'clock. So I've enjoyed those chimes very much and missed them since they haven't been there.
For my first year, we had the admin building with the chimes. I didn't know what they were, so I would ask questions about why are they ringing, and so I would know lunchtime or class is over or the day started, things like that.
It was a nice reminder for me that hey, class is starting, so make sure you get there. It was really cool and helped get me into the mood to learn.
I remember some of the great songs, playing Edelweiss from The Sound of Music. Pretty sure I heard some Journey, the Christmas carols.
I always like to play Happy Birthday. You figured any day is somebody's birthday, so you could just play it once in a while.
I remember particularly the morning that I first heard Soft Kitty from Big Bang Theory being played on the chimes. I thought that was pretty unique and pretty cool.
I played as a student in my junior year, which was in the late 70s. Since I came back to Manchester as the registrar, then I started playing at special occasions. The original chime was played by wooden levers that were attached to dowel rods that went up through the floor of the bell tower, which was above the room where you played, and those were attached to leather straps and chains, and that was attached to the clapper of the bell. The bells did not swing. The clapper would be pulled against the bell to play. So in order to play, you pushed down on these levers. It's quite a workout because you kind of bend over and you are pushing the levers up and down. It was loud, not because of the bells, but because of the pushing the levers and the creaking and the chains banging. The original chime was made up of 10 bells, so my understanding is that there will be additional bells. They will no longer be played by the levers and the chains. There will be a keyboard. It will be more of an electronic setup.
To be able to see the same chimes just refurbished in the new structure is really cool. It's actually just right out the window from where I work, so to be able to look up and see that reminder and the history that's there is really cool.
Manchester University, of course, is one of the anchors of North Manchester. There are people who live 2 or 3 blocks away from the university who can hear the chimes in the morning. I've never heard anyone complain about that.
We're really thankful to our donors who were able to make this new chime tower part of our campus. I'm excited for the new traditions, and that's something that brings back really great memories of my time as a student here at Manchester.
I am excited to see students hanging out around and seeing what it will look like and what that will mean to students, or families too, alumni, what that will become for us as a university. I think that's definitely something that we're all very curious about and excited and looking forward to.